everyone, welcome back to episode 11 of ABCD Anybody Can Draw. Today we'll be illustrating this simple lavender field along with a castle. So if you are following up the tutorial so far, you know it's easier to draw a sky, a cloud and a sun, and also grass and trees. So here we'll be adding two more addition, that is the castle and the lavender field, which is very simple to draw. So make sure to follow the entire tutorial. Today we'll be using four main brush. One is fountain pen, technical pen, and two more. So just make sure you follow the entire tutorial to understand it. Is much easier. As you can see, we have already added the sky. We're just adjusting the color of the sky, so make sure it's up to your desire. You can make it darker, lighter, or you want to have the exact same image, you can follow the same color code. Also, one of the key takeaway or rule 101 of digital illustration itself is to add as many as layer as you can, because that kind of give you a open rights to whether you want to delete it or just keep the layer. And so if you see the current video itself, we have already added more than 5 layers so far. So just make sure you add as much as layer as you can for each and every element. Now we are adding a grass, and followed up we'll build the entire castle. So we'll be using the rectangle shape option, where we just have to elongate and make such design. So you can actually draw the cloud just by using technical pen and filling up entire, and it really brings the entire picture pop out. So if you're following up the tutorial with all the 10 episode, good, I'm happy. And if you are not, I'll make sure to link the entire playlist in the IQ card above. You can go ahead and follow from episode 1 to episode 10, which we started like a few days ago. So most probably it's like 10 days ago. So just make sure, if you're new to this, it may be a bit difficult for you, or if you're good with just following up this entire tutorial, go ahead. Otherwise you can follow up the rest of ABCD to have more of illustration points. So one of the reason why I started this series itself is, when you start digital illustration, it's more of understanding the tool and being comfortable with how you are accessing it. So that's why the series is all happening. So make sure to like this video and share this video for anybody who are interested in digital art. We may definitely do as much as video we can for this series, but as of now we'll just enjoy this lavender feel, a castle with a fluffy cloud as a backdrop. So meet you on the end. Till that, enjoy the video. thank you very much if you have made to the end of the video. If you enjoy this video, make sure to like and share this along with your illustration friends or family member. Or if you are new here, make sure to click the subscribe button down below, because there are many more videos coming up in future. And hope you guys are really enjoying this series, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Till then, have a great evening. Bye bye.